thank you for coming into Geng's life. She was at her happiest when she met you 2 years ago. Yung mga dull and lonely days niya turned out to be an exciting and fun-filled moments. Yung meron siyang laging something to look forward to for the day kasi alam niya makakasama ka niya. Now that all your dreams are finally coming true one at a time, I wish you nothing but the very best in life. I am so happy that you and Sandro have come this far. I am a witness of your love story, and I can attest that your relationship have grown maturely in the 2 years that you have been together.
Geng, we know that you have waited so much for your Mr. Right guy, and we believe that Sandro is really the Mr. Right. Geng and Sandro, may your love continue to grow each and every year. Never let a day pass without saying a prayer and reminding and telling each other that I love you. Para makabuo kayo ng tatlo.
A great marriage is not when the perfect couple comes together. It's when imperfect couple learns to enjoy their differences. May the love you share today grow stronger as you grow old together. Congratulations.
You're my, always you're my, forever you're my reality. You're my sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. What's anomaly?
As we start our married life together today, I want to say I am so lucky to have you as my wife. You love me unconditionally, takes good care of me, always showing affection, very faithful, and beautiful in and out.
Thank you for understanding my temper. Thank you for loving me unconditionally and for letting me feel that there's no more what ifs. I wouldn't trade you for anyone else. Thank you for everything, love.
I will have a loving wife, but I also gained a family. I'm very thankful to you and your family for taking good care, always feeding me, feeding me with foods and love.
I always tell myself, Lord, thank you for giving Sandro to me. I've been in a relationships before, and I'm thankful that it didn't work out because I couldn't imagine myself getting married with anyone else.
Love is like a flame. It has the heat of passion. It is constantly changing. Its radiance is there for all to see, and together you must protect it from being extinguished. I, Sheila Matthews Aramona, a marriage commissioner, by virtue of the power vested in me by the Marriage Act 1995 of Saskatchewan and the Department of Justice, do hereby pronounce you, Sandro Franco Bagsic and Rosalind Matangahan, to be husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Today, I promise you this. I will laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow. I vow to choose you every day and to love you in words and through actions. I vow to be the man that you inspire me to be and the man that you deserve. I love you with all my heart.